Hey, what's up guys? So today we are looking at the Sparkle 9400 GT. This is a PCI Express graphics card. The first thing you have to do is to disconnect these plastic pins. Just looking at it now. Put that to the side. Pick up that one that fell. So to start, you have to just use a light brush to clean off the dust that you can see. I'm not going to be able to clean it perfectly, but just cleaning it this low bit has already improved just the lifespan of this card. So you don't have to clean it out perfectly, but just basically do the best that you can do in terms of getting rid of the dust that you can see. Just make sure you get in between all the capacitors. Just light clean at the back. Some little bit here. You don't want to be too harsh when cleaning it so that you don't break off any of the capacitors. Some of them are very sensitive. The next thing you want to do is just remove the existing thermal paste. This thermal paste is quite hard, hence why I'm using the flathead screwdriver with this little lappy to just clean off the older thermal paste off this graphics chip. Just light clean afterwards. Make sure there's no residue, nothing, it's spotless. You can see, once you can see the words, then I guess it's as clean as it can get. If you do make any scratches, it will be filled up again with the thermal paste. So as long as it's not something important that got shifted loose. I want to use some sandpaper, and this is the 120 grade sandpaper, and just lightly cleaning the remaining thermal paste off the heatsink. You can see there's some residue left on the heatsink after using the sandpaper. Okay, and this is the thermal grease HY510. I bought this off Takealot and will leave the link in the video description. It's quite a large syringe of thermal paste. Next thing you want to do is reconnect these pins. They clip back in, so it's quite easy to assemble. The next thing you want to do is align the heatsink over the graphics card to make sure that it fits correctly, and then you just push it down. As you can see, it clips into place. It's very satisfying. There you go. There you go, card cleaned, no dust. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.